In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Sounds and Vibration. Then click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable haptic feedback for your incoming calls. Then tap on Vibration and Haptics to use all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Go back again. Tap on Sound Mode and select Vibrate to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. Last but not least, scroll all the way down, click on Tones over here, and use this switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to enable or disable this option. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!